I love helping people. I love making a difference for people.
Hi there, I'm Kristy Chase with The Debt Strategy. Now, it's been a while since I made a money-making idea video, and there are a ton of reasons why. For starters, maybe you can relate, hopefully. Life just sort of got in the way. And I started tending to my daily business. I got a lot of clients, and it was really good. But one stumbling block for me is that, I wasn't this big, huge channel with 1 million views and visitors. In fact, it was quite the opposite. I wasn't this professed financial whiz either. I just followed the simple 9-to-5 plan of working for somebody else. Now, I had a degree and certifications and a great paying job in the IT field, but I got laid off. And that was back in September 11th in 2001 when a lot of jobs went away. And it was absolutely devastating financially. In fact, I lost my home and I ended up homeless. It was truly a wake-up call. But that was the point when I started searching high and low to try to make ends meet. Now, I discovered I have a very entrepreneurial spirit and I love working for me. Now, sometimes it was really feast or famine, and other times it was like Christmas in July. But in the end, I've loved working for myself and I love the adventures. I also love learning and trying new things. Now, the reality is there were a lot of months when I could not make ends meet. I was no longer working in the IT field, obviously, and my certification had become worthless. Yet I had student loans, car loans, credit cards, and I had a young child. I had to make sure that I paid for the bills. It wasn't an option. Now, I don't want to paint some down and out story because it wasn't. I was really lucky and incredibly blessed. I had friends and family who were there for me when I needed. People just came out of the woodwork to help me out. And when I got back on my feet, I repaid every single dollar. But this time in my life caused me to learn how to hustle. I had to figure out how to do things that were 100% legitimate, but quick. So I had to come up with ideas, things that would bring in money. And that's what started me down a path of learning to brainstorm things I could do, things that have been really fun and rewarding. Now, over time, I discovered a love and a drive for helping other people eliminate their debt, pay off their homes, and become debt-free, and focus on putting money into their future. I realized something huge. Most people are a paycheck or 2 or 3 away from losing their homes. I know people who make really decent incomes. They've got great homes and cars and stuff, but if they lost their job the way that I did, the same thing could happen to them. Applying for unemployment or losing their homes. So I built a business on helping people wipe out their debt so they never had to get back into it, so they would have money for a rainy day. And that led to making some videos that I did a few years ago that I have on this channel. Some of my clients loved the stories I was telling them about things I had really done, and I was hoping they could use the ideas to make a few extra dollars for themselves while we were working on their debt elimination plan. Now, I only did a handful of those videos, but then life got in the way and I started helping more clients. People luckily learned about my debt elimination program that wipes out debt in half the time and they save a lot of money. And that caused me to not make any more videos. To be honest, I really didn't think they were a big deal. Plus, there are a gazillion of videos online helping people figure out how to make money. Well, recently I received a surprise comment from somebody who said, "Why don't you make those great money-making idea videos anymore?" He said I had some great ideas and that there were a ton of people viewing them. And I went online and I looked. I guess I just didn't realize that my fun in making videos to help out a few people would be something that other people would want to see. I have literally over 3,000 views on just one of those old videos, and it was only made for 5 people. Now, fast forward to a few weeks ago when someone asked me about one of those money-making ideas that I did way back. And boy, did she get an earful. I started spouting out how I did it, where the inspiration came from, and I relayed all the details on what to charge, how you start it. She was like, "How did you think of all this stuff?" And you know what happened is I got inspired all over again. I inspired myself. I started talking faster and faster in the living room. I started using my hands like I do when I talk and pacing. And I discovered, you know what? This is what I love. I love helping people get inspired and, find something that'll help them make a difference in their bank account. Maybe they just need an idea, something they've never thought of before. And when it comes to money, the truth is, just an extra $500 a month could prevent somebody from going into bankruptcy or divorce. $500 could save a marriage. So you know what? Here I am. I still have a ton of ideas for making money, things that I've actually done and tried, and things I've seen other people that I know do that have changed their circumstances. So bear with me here on my Debt Strategy channel while I bring you more videos filled with real life ideas and examples of things you could do to go out and make a little bit of money to start wiping out your debt today so that you can focus on your financial future. Listen, you need to have money put away for a rainy day, and you need to have money to live on when you're too old to work. You can't take a chance on outliving your money. So I'd like to humbly ask you, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and take a look at some of the money-making videos. Leave me a comment or two, hopefully something encouraging. More will be coming to you, and you're not going to want to miss some of the cool money-making ideas that I'm going to post very soon. Now, I want to do videos that have full disclosure, no hype, no rah-rah, just real thought-out ideas that can help you. Now, I'm going to offer the upside as well as the downside, and I'm also going to be interviewing some people who have done something that has made them money too. Now, if you have a money-making idea, something that's worked for you, or maybe someone you know, email me. I'll put an email in the description area of the video. Maybe I can interview you on my channel. I look forward to sharing ideas with you very soon. Again, I'm Kristy Chase with The Debt Strategy, bringing you money-making ideas today so you can wipe out your debt and be debt-free for tomorrow. I thank you very much for your time, and God bless.